Hey guys, in today's art lesson, we're going to be putting 3 pieces of fruit together. Much like you see here, we may be doing different fruit, but it all works the same. If you've joined us before where we did individual fruit, today we're going to be taking 3 of those fruits and putting them together. Because most likely when you see a picture of fruit, it's not just going to be of an apple, or of a pear, or of an orange. You're going to see things together, like in a fruit bowl. Again, it's very important that you know your color wheel with your primary colors, your secondary colors, your complementary colors, as well as your opposite colors for each color. Let's get started. I'm going to start off today by doing my apple. I'm going to put my apple right over here. Okay, not going to go too big. Not going to go too small either. I'm going to do the outline now for my other fruit as well before I start doing all the colors. So now what I'd like to do is I'm going to do my pear. Now my pear, I'm going to have my pear be partially behind my apple. It's going to be sitting up like so. Okay, and a pear is kind of an H shape. And it's going to be behind my apple. Now I'm going to also do my orange, and for my orange, I'm going to put it slightly behind the pear. So it's going to come around. All right, now if you remember where we did the opposite for the shadow, let's get our shadows in first this time. All right, looking at the opposites, I like to look at the reference. Opposite of red is green. So I'm going to grab my green, and I'm going to put some shadow over here. I'm going to put my sun over on this corner again. Put my green down here, like so. Opposite of my pear, yellow is purple. So I'm going to grab some purple. I'm going to put some shadow on my pear. And then for my orange, opposite of orange is blue. So I'm going to grab my blue. I'm going to put some shadow down here on my orange. Once I've got my shadow, it's then time to go to my complementary color, which is the color right next to it on the color wheel that would be considered brighter of the two. So when I'm looking at my apple, I used red. I can either do purple or I can do orange. I feel that orange is a little bit brighter. So I'm going to put some highlight of orange up here on my apple, going the same shape as my apple. Looking at my pear, I've got the choice of green or orange. I think orange is going to be the brighter of the two there too. So I'm going to put some more orange up in there. Now when I get to my orange, I've got yellow or red. And I definitely feel that yellow is my highlight for my orange. Now I'm going to go in and fill it in with the main color. So for the orange, of course, I'm going to put some more orange. Color everything orange. I'll be ready to blend that one. Color all my pear with my yellow. And of course my red apple. Now my favorite part, and I'm sure it's yours, the blending. Get out your handy dandy tool, which is your finger, and we're gonna start on the highlight, going the same shape as the fruit all the way around, doing the shadow part last. Okay, and the apple, I'm gonna start right here. And the highlight, same shape as my fruit, until I get to the shadow. Gonna get my shadow in, okay? Moving on to my pear, or my juicy pear. It's a little bit different where we have that other fruit right in front of it. Okay. On to my... Okay, finishing touches on each of those. I do like to put a little bit more texture on my orange. Stem coming out of there. Remember our stem here, a little V, and a little X down here. My orange, oh, I'm gonna put a little bit more highlight, a little bit of white up in there. Oh, dang it. Okay, shadow. All right, now we put our fruit together. Now, you can use this with any kind of fruit. However, I do see that it works better with fruit that has a peel, such as an apple, a pear, banana, and grapes. It doesn't work so well with fruits such as raspberries and strawberries, but you can also do bananas, grapes, lemons, limes, all sorts of fruit. Good luck. I can't wait to see what you do. Please send me copies of what you do. I'd love to see what you do. Have a great rest of your day, guys, and we'll see you next time for some more fun with art.